Do you know what phone sex means?
No, I don't know.
You don't know phone sex?
No, I don't.
Never did phone sex before?
No.
Sexting?
Texting I am aware of.
Sexting?
No.
Sex?
Actually, I don't want to talk anymore.
Hi, what's your name?
Eden. Eden.
Marita.
Khush.
Do one thing, you go stand there.
Sorry.
Do you guys know what is phone sex?
Of course I know what is phone sex.
Of course she knows what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's very similar to sexting in a way. Yeah.
What is phone sex? Phone sex is Do you send like that A-double-H-H-H ah? Is that phone sex?
Yeah.
What is phone sex? That's it.
Yeah. To me, like it's basically talking dirty to someone over the phone.
So what, like, do you send nudes and stuff?
I don't.
No, I'm saying like in phone sex.
Yeah, people do. Yeah.
Have you ever received nudes?
No.
Maybe it stimulates you and then you touch yourself and whatever.
What do you think?
What she said.
What did she say?
That it stimulates your senses and whatever, and then you do stuff to yourself.
Have you ever done phone sex before?
No, never.
Straight no. My sentence is not even over and no.
भाई अपनी फीलिंग्स को निकालना है बाहर और माध्यम नहीं है आपके पास सामने दूर बैठा है तो फिर फोन की बदली दी जाती है और बतियाया जाता है.
Not exactly, but yeah, started to, but then ended it. Yeah, didn't work out.
What is the creepiest message you've got or a picture from anyone?
I've got a random dick pic.
Dick pic.
Yeah.
What about guys sending guys dick pictures, man? Like why?
A random person just sent it and then he said wrong number.
So what did you do with that picture?
I deleted it, of course.
Did you compare it to yours? Matlab?
I want to see your mind naked, so I don't know.
Want to see your mind naked?
Yeah. I have nice hips, and before he proceeded to say anything, blocked. So like, no, thank you.
I have nice hips. Block.
He just sent me a message and he was like, Ankita, I sent you a message. Just delete it as soon as you get. Thank God it was not auto downloaded. So I deleted it. So yeah,
What was it?
you know what it is.
I don't know.
You know.
How will I know? Was it a dick?
Yeah, obviously.
I had to say that because that word is really dirty, no, to say. Did you ever get a picture of something?
Yeah, when I did not want to actually see it, and it was one of the grossest things ever. So show me your, tits.
So this once I was at my PT class the other day, and this friend walks up to me and she's like, "Oh, you have to look at her boobs," and I'm just like, "No, I don't want to look at it." And she flashes it into my face,
She
and
flashes her boobs in front of you.
yeah, not hers, but this other girl, and she has really huge boobs, and they've been doing the round all over Mumbai, and that happened.
But I would love to like see pictures with
Obviously,
big
you would
boobs.
love that, but I don't.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much, guys.